Got an AC call. A lot of people around this time, they run into these problems where you see the run cap is kind of puffed up at the top. Trying to focus in so y'all can see. But that where it says Herm at, it's kind of puffed up at the top. That just means that it popped. The run cap has popped. So now we need to replace that run cap so we can get it running. Test the Freon. And you see, if you can see all that needs to be cleaned out. Comes from cutting grass and running the AC at the same time. That's another problem, it's another issue, but this is the issue why we're not getting any AC. Let's go see if I have one of those in the truck. All right, so I got me another run cap. Let's see what I need. All right, the old one, switch it out for the new one. Y'all can see on the top, man, that bad boy is nice and popped out. It's a brand new one. Let's see if we got action. Come right here and turn this on. Action. So let's check the Freon level. It is a 410A system. We can check the levels on here. That's back working. Back to the new run cap. So I had to wet her down. The high heat was way too high. All of this around here was keeping the compressor from breathing, which had my high heat all the way up here at 150. That's not a good deal if it's all the way up there. So I had to wash it off. If y'all leave them clogged, your compressor on the inside cannot breathe. And if your compressor on the inside cannot breathe, it is definitely going to shut itself down because it's overheat. It'll go into overheat mode. So you definitely want to keep your coils clean. That's called a coil inside this thing here. That's called your condenser coil. You want to keep your condenser coils clean. They have covers for it that you can put on top of it, or if you're cheap, you can just take some your water hose and just wash off the sides. Just wash it out. And you see all the grass and dirt. All the grass and dirt is all at the bottom. The client didn't want to take the thing off around. I had to charge them for it, and they didn't want to take it off. So I just washed it off, knocked it down to the ground. Now my high heat is where it's supposed to be. Now we can charge it up. Now that bad boy is nice and clean. Clean your condensers, people. Clean your condensers. If not, I'll have to charge you to clean them when I come out. Got them together. They got a new run cap. I got here and the unit was not running at all. Opened it up. Run cap was blown. Had a new run cap. Put the gauges on there. They were low on Freon. Superheat, high heat was super high. The high heat was super high, so I had to clean up around the condenser for the high heat to go back down to normal. That way I can charge it up properly. Charge it up about 3-4 pounds. They A1 now. Call 816-649-4099 for your HVAC specialist. If you're needing an HVAC specialist at your residential or commercial building, call 816-649-4099. $50 service fee, serving in Kansas City, Missouri, Lee Summit, Raytown area, Blue Springs. For $75, we'll go out to Kansas as well. Give us a call, 816-649-4099 for an HVAC specialist.